The Builderall Canvas is the most complete and professional sales funnel builder in the world. We were the first ones on the planet to ever create something this big, to ever create something this powerful. You can forget everything you know about tools and softwares to build funnels, because what we created didn't exist until now. This is the best tool in the world to build sales funnels. So let me show you how you can build your funnel, how you can build your business using the Builderall Canvas. Let's go. The Builderall Canvas is the only tool that allows you to create funnels over a blueprint. So let me show you how to get started. Well, the first thing that you need to do is go to builderall.com. Okay, now once you log in, go to the option Canvas Funnel Builder and click Enter. Now you just click on Add Funnel and type your funnel title and your funnel description. Now as you can see, Builderall created a bunch of ready to go funnels for you to choose from. So you have downsell options, membership funnels, webinars, product launch, video sales funnels, e-learning, and much more. Now if you're like me and you'd like to build your funnels from scratch, what you have to do is go all the way up in the first option and select the blank option. So select the blank option and click on Create. It'll automatically load the funnel blueprint builder for you, and it's super easy to get started. Now what you have to do is click on the start button and it'll automatically bring a lot of options for you to start with. I like to start with an opt-in page. Now let's select the opt-in page, and as you can see, it automatically brings the opt-in page with an email marketing form connected to that page. Now what I like to do is bring them to a sales page so I can sell them one of my courses. So let's do that right now. Now this is so cool. The sales page already comes with a checkout. To edit the checkout, it's very simple. Click on the three buttons, go to checkout, and add the title and price for your product, and that's it. So now we can get a little bit more spicy and add an upsell. Now this is so cool because the upsell also comes with a checkout option. Now after the upsell, why don't we send them to a thank you page? And from the thank you page, we can send them to a membership area. Now do you guys want to see something super cool? Well, let me show you. Let's go to the opt-in page and click on the three buttons. As you can see, we have a form option. The only thing we have to do is select Mailing Boss and create a list. Let's fill out the information. Now as you can see, we created a list on Mailing Boss without having to exit the Canvas funnel builder. It gets better than that. Let me show you. If you want, you can even add a split test into your pages. And once you're done creating your funnel, what you have to do is click on Save, click OK. And now that you have your funnel saved, you can go to Create Website, choose a website name, and click on Create. What the Canvas Funnel Builder would do is integrate all the tools that Builderall has into your funnel automatically for you. It'll integrate the website builder, the email marketing forms, your pop-ups, your split tests, your own webinars. It'll integrate everything that you created into your funnel. That's how easy it is to build your business with the Builderall Canvas. My name is Alvaro Salgado. I'm 20 years old. I use the Builderall Canvas, and you should too. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.